Website testing is a role in which individuals like you and I, who doesn't have any affiliation with a business or a brand, come in to test their web application or their website to actually provide feedback on the user experience and also look at the general functionality and the usability of this application or website. Then similarly, mobile app testing is also a process through which applications being developed for mobile devices are being tested by testers like you and I, who doesn't have any affiliation with the brand or the app developer, so that we can actually give proper feedback on how we interacted with these apps and also the security, the usability, and the general functionalities. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Ezra, and I'm all about teaching you how you can make money online and everything that surrounds making money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, you are also super welcome. And I would like you to like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this, you would be among the first to be notified. You may be wondering, why would businesses or companies or brands pay you to test their website applications or to test their mobile app applications? The reason is this. These big brands spend a whole lot of funds and a whole lot of money to develop several apps and to build their websites. And before it gets to the general public, they need individuals like you and I to come in, test these websites or web applications, and also test the mobile apps to actually give them feedback on the user experience and the functionalities of this app, so that they don't end up pushing out a faulty app or a faulty web application into the general public. Because as a business, trust me, you wouldn't want your audience or your customer or your business base or your customer base to actually uninstall your apps at intervals because of one glitch here and there. You know how you feel when you are working on a web application or a mobile app and it starts messing up. Once you experience that once or twice, you end up uninstalling and the business or the brand loses money. Okay, so that's why it's very important for them to bring in testers like you and I, who are like normal, app users or web application users, to come through on their app and check and give feedback in line with our experience with the app, so that they can actually optimize the app, make it more user-friendly, and make it more engaging to their audience. Okay, and it's not just enough for them to build a website or build an app. They actually need these apps to always to be optimized according to the demands of their customers. So even an app that had already been launched into the general public, they still need you and I to, at intervals, come and test these apps and give experience or first-hand experience on what they could improve and all that. Okay, so talking about making money by testing websites or testing web applications or testing mobile app applications, there are three things you have to pay vital attention to before you can actually make money testing these websites and mobile apps. Because if you lose out on these three vital steps, you may end up not making as much money as possible rendering these services for these websites and for these brands. Okay, so the first step is take your auditions seriously. Almost every company out there will require you to go through an audition before they can allow you to, or before they can pay you to test their website or their mobile application. Okay, so take the audition seriously and don't fall into that temptation of trying to rush through the audition, because you need to actually give good results. It's only when the audition comes out fine, that's when you are hired to participate in testing a particular mobile app or a series of mobile apps or websites. Okay, the next one or the next step is sign up to multiple sites. While you would want to zero down on one particular site or some set of sites, sign up on multiple sites increases your opportunity or your chances of making as much money as possible every week testing web applications or testing mobile app applications. Okay, then the next one is be quick to respond. Most of these companies serve you opportunities, and they operate on the basis of first come, first serve. So when an opportunity to test a particular app or a particular website is being put out there on their site, the first set of people to show interest are people that will be picked. Okay, so having said that, those are the 3 steps that you need to have at the back of your mind if you are going to, or if you have interest on making money testing web application and mobile applications. Okay, so now let's talk about the sites where you can actually sign up to and start making money testing as many applications, both web and mobile, as much as possible. Okay, so the first one is user testing. This is a website whereby they offer you opportunity to test websites, web applications, and mobile applications as well. And this site is one of the best because big brands like Grammarly, Walmart, Capital One, and Facebook, even Domino's, use their services, and you can be paid as much as $10 for every 20-minute test you take. Okay, so the next one is Usability. This one doesn't require so much audition. However, they will give you a set of instructions that you have to follow while testing the mobile application or the website application. So all you just have to do is to pay serious attention to the instructions that are needed and how you should go about testing these websites and the mobile applications. Okay. Then the next one is Telezoom panel. Okay. On this platform, they normally call their testing surveys or studies. Okay. And for every 10 to 20 minutes of this survey or study, you are being paid as much as $5 to $10 or $15. And they require you to do a video feedback or an audio feedback. So these are other wonderful websites where you can actually sign up and start making money testing websites and mobile applications. Okay. Then the next one is Enroll. Enroll is quite a little bit different because it doesn't take as much time as possible as opposed to the normal 10 to 20 or 30 minutes other websites actually require you to test a particular app. Enroll has a shorter time of, let's say, 1 minute to 5 minutes. However, their payment is actually smaller. Okay, but nevertheless, there are so many other alternatives you could actually go for aside Enroll. Then the next one is Testbud. Okay, as a Testbud tester, you can provide feedback on applications, websites, videos, games, and other products out there. So they give you a wide range of opportunities to test as many products as possible. So you are not restricted to testing only websites or testing only mobile applications. And they can pay you their payment ranges from as small as $10 to as high as $70 per 20 or 30 minute test. Then the next one, which is the number 6, is UserFuel. UserFuel gives you opportunity to test both application and websites also. Okay, and for each test you complete, you are being paid $10 to $15 for a 10 to 20 minute test. Okay, then the next one is BetaFamily. BetaFamily is specifically for Android apps and iOS apps. Okay, so they are actually specific. The only opportunity you get on this platform is to test Android operating system apps and iOS apps. Okay, so and one good thing about this platform is that their test is actually extended and they give you as much opportunities as possible. And also, if you test an app and have good rating, when there is other opportunities, they actually select you or they notify you personally to come in and test these apps, and that way it creates more opportunities for you to make as much money as possible. But remember, you have to actually put out a very good or a very objective review of the earlier tests you've done. Okay, so aside these 7 top websites where you can actually sign up and start making money testing websites and mobile applications, there are some other websites such as Perfections, Upwork, and Try My UI. You can actually use all these websites to actually make as much money as possible testing web applications, websites, and mobile applications. However, There are so many other ways to make money online, but this is actually a way you can start making money online without having to put in any capital or put in any money. Okay, so, and if you've been with me in this video up to this moment, why not like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.